Hello friends, welcome to the second part of Applet programming. In the last session, we have studied what is Applet, Applet lifecycle, and execution of simple Applet program in NetBeans as well as in Notepad using command prompt. Then we have also seen the hello world program, and to print the hello world message in Applet we have used the drawString method of graphics class. If you are not remember, then just recall the last lecture. Now what we will do in this lecture, in this session we will learn to draw the different types of shape, line, rectangle, square, oval, arc. So how to draw this kind of shapes in Applet, that we will study in this lecture. Actually, why this drawing is required? After learning this drawing, after learning about this different shape, you are able to draw any shapes. That is why this is most useful. Okay, so we'll start with a simple shape, that is line. Okay, now whatever methods we will use to draw line, rectangle or oval or a circle, all that methods are from graphics class. So we all going to do the coding inside the paint method only. Okay, so we'll start with the line function. So open NetBeans. Right now we are in lecture 16. Right click, new class, and we will give the name shape demo. Finish. The first line, import java.applet.star and import java.awt.star. Why first package is required? It is used by the Applet class. And what about the second package? If you want to use paint method, graphics class in your project, in your application, then compulsory you have to use or import this package. Now the most important part, Applet tag. Applet, the first attribute, that code equal to, I have to write the name exactly as class name, then width equal to 500 and height equal to 500. Applet. Okay, and here extends Applet. Clear? Shape demo. What's the error? Extends Applet. Right? Okay, now first thing, public void paint, and inside the paint have to specify the graphics class. And now here I have to override annotation, because paint is override from which class? Applet. Now the next thing, we have already seen this method g.drawString. Yes or no? Yes. Here I will simply write the message and also specify the x coordinate and y coordinate. So first we will check, first we will revise this. Right click, compile, okay. Now right click, run. Okay, hello. Right? The first step, how to draw the line, g.draw line. Now look here, 4 coordinates are required to draw the line. The first one is x1, second one is y1, and third one x2 and y2. So x1 y1 is responsible, x1 y1, these 2 points are responsible for deciding a single point of line, and the second x2 and y2, these 2 coordinates are required to decide the second point. So finally it will join that 2 points and it will make the line. Okay, so draw line, x1 y1 20 and 100, and x2 y2 30 and 100. Okay, right click, run. This is the line, this is the line. Chalo isko we'll change the coordinate and again see the demo. This is the line. Clear? So this is x1 y1 x2 and y2. These 2 points decide starting point. The next 2, that is 30 and 100, so will decide the next point. Clear? So here to draw the line, which function is used? Draw line. Clear? Okay, now the next step. Next we will try to draw rectangle. So to draw the rectangle, there is one function, draw rect, and here also we required 4 coordinates to draw the rectangle. How is possible to draw the rectangle with the help of 4 coordinates only? Okay, we'll see. So 10, and I'll specify 50 and 100 and 150. Okay, now पहले हम चेक कर लेते हैं वो होता है कि नहीं. राइट क्लिक, रन. Okay, so this is the rectangle for this coordinate 10, 50, 100, 150. Now how it is possible to draw the rectangle with the 4 coordinates only? Actually these first 2 coordinates decide the upper left point of rectangle. 10 and 50, 10 is a x, 50 is a y. So from x, this is 10, this is 50, so this is a starting point. Then the third one is third argument 100, which will decide the width, and the last coordinate 150, it will decide the height. So at the end of 4 coordinates you are having this thing ready. Up to this, yes, remaining is automatically done. So this is how 4 coordinates prepare the rectangle. Okay, so draw rect is the function to draw the rectangle. If you want to see the demo, then okay, this is the way. If I am going to write the method like this, draw rect 100 100 200 100, then the first 2 coordinates decide the upper left corner of the rectangle, 100 and 100. So it's corner, this is 200, this is 100 is height. Clear? So this is how you can draw the rectangle. Now it will also provide the method for drawing a round rectangle. What do you mean by round rectangle? चलो देखते हैं. G dot draw round rectangle, and this will require 6 coordinates. So first 4 coordinates are common like this. चलो यहाँ से हम copy कर लेते हैं. Copy, paste, बराबर 6, and specify 10 and specify 5. 5. Right click, run. Okay, I will give some more so at least you can have some better idea for round rectangle. Right click, run. Okay, now this look better. देखो 15 means x coordinate and next 15 means y coordinate. So these two coordinates are used to decide the round shape. If I will increase this point, instead of 15, if I will increase to 35, then you will have more round shape like this. Right click, run. Yes. So ultimately last two coordinates are used to decide कि आपको round shape कितना रखना है. So to decide that thing you have to specify 5th and 6th coordinate, and the first 4 coordinates are again used to draw the rectangle. So हम लोगों ने already 3 functions देख लिए. First we have seen draw line, then rectangle, then draw round rectangle. Okay, now the next one, how to draw the square. There is no any specific functions available in Java to draw the square, because square is equal to rectangle. If I am going to specify width and height same, then that rectangle is known as square, like this. If I am going to write g dot draw rect 100 100, so it will ultimately draw the square like this. Clear? Okay. Now the next thing and the next shape is g dot draw oval. Now with the help of this function, with the help of this method, either you can draw the circle. If you have kept the last two coordinates width and height both are same, then you will get the circle, otherwise you will get the ellipse, oval. चलो देखते हैं. यहीं से मैं आर्ग्यूमेंट देता हूँ मैं 10 50 100 100. Yes, in this method also you just need to require to pass 4 coordinates only. So ultimately with the help of these 4 coordinates, first it will make invisible rectangle, then from rectangle it will make the oval. And how your rectangle will convert it into the oval? It will just find the center point of each line into the rectangle, and finally it will connect all the center points. Okay, चलो एक बार इसको रन करके देखते हैं. राइट क्लिक, रन. यस, सर्कल. ये सर्कल क्यों लग रहा है? बिकॉज width and height both are same. If I will change any one value, then instead of circle it will look like an oval. Clear? Good. So we have completed total how many shapes? Start from line, then rectangle, then round rectangle, then square, then oval and circle. Now the next, how to draw an arc. आपको पता है arc किसको बोलते हैं? How to draw an arc. Ultimately you draw the arc. How many coordinates are required? Just look over here. Integer x, y, width, height. So the first 4 coordinates are similar like to draw the oval or rectangle, but remaining 2 argument, 5th one and 6th one. The 5th one will say you have to specify the start angle, and the 6th one will say you have to specify the arc angle. So कहाँ से start करके आपको कहाँ तक arc चाहिए? To specify that thing you have to write 5th and 6th argument. चलो देखते हैं इसको एक बार. Draw arc, सेम आर्ग्यूमेंट यहाँ पे रखते हैं हम लोग. I'll keep the starting angle from 0 to 270 degree. So कैसे हुआ 0 to 270 degree? चलो एक बार देखते हैं. Right click, run. Yes, good. 0 90, 180, 270. Again 360 or 0, 90, 180, 270. So fifth argument is used to specify the starting angle of your arc, and the sixth argument is used to specify the ending angle of your arc. कहाँ से start करके आपको arc कहाँ तक खत्म करना है, कहाँ पे खत्म करना है, उसके लिए हम पांचवी और छठी आर्गुमेंट देते हैं. So this is how you can draw the arc. Clear? Okay, तो लाइन हो गई, rectangle, round rectangle, and finally oval and arc. Now if I want to fill all this shape with some color, is it possible? Yes. There are some inbuilt method available in Java, in Applet, to fill all these shapes with color. और वो मेथड क्या है, चलो देखते हैं. Instead of draw rect, if I am going to write, I'll just change the name of method fill rect. Right click, run, yes, and I will get this solid rectangle instead of a normal rectangle. Sir, मुझे black color नहीं चाहिए, I want some different color. Yes, you can do that thing. How? Just need to specify set foreground color dot red. Again execute the program and you will get the red background. Clear? So this is how you can fill any shape with color. Okay, now the next thing. So instead of draw rect, you just need to write fill rect. Same way, instead of draw round rect, if I am going to write fill round rect, right click, run, yes. So just need to replace the word draw with fill and you will get the another method, you will get the another output. Okay, okay. जैसे हमने यहाँ पे fill लिखा, same way you can also write g dot fill oval, right click, execute, yes. Same way with arc also, you can write, instead of draw arc, you can write fill arc, right click, run, and you will see the output, yes, starting from 0 to 270. Got it? So this is how you can use draw method as well as fill method to draw the different types of shape. Now one more thing, there is one special method available in graphics class to draw any kind of shape. मैंने यहाँ पे आप लोगों को सब शेप दिखाया, but I have not shown you how to draw the triangle, how to draw the pentagon, how to draw the hexagon, how to draw the octagon. Is it possible? Yes, definitely you can draw any types of shape in Applet. और वो सारे टाइप के शेप को ड्रॉ करने के लिए Java provides one inbuilt and fruitful method, and that method name is draw polygon method. मान लो कि हमको ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ करना है, सो वो ट्राइंगल हम कैसे ड्रॉ करेंगे, चलो देखते हैं. फर्स्ट आई विल टेक वन array integer x1 equal to, and to draw the triangle I required 3 coordinates, and second one, just a minute, and second one integer y, उसको भी एक array ले लेते हैं और उसके अंदर ले लेते हैं 100, 200 and 300. Now g dot draw polygon मेथड, पहला x फिर y, फिर कितने जॉइंट्स आएगी, कितनी साइड्स आएगी ट्राइंगल की, 3. So ultimately draw polygon method is used to draw the customized shape. मैंने यहाँ पे 3 पॉइंट्स लिए, 10, 100, that is x and y. So it will decide first point, then 20, 200, it will decide the second point of triangle, and finally 30, 300. And after joining these 3 points you will get the polygon, and that polygon is nothing but it's equal to triangle. Okay, actually instead of 20 I'll go in right 100. Okay, now right click, run. Yes, so this is the triangle that you will get. Is it clear? Okay, now look over here, this first point, x equal to 10, yes, x equal to 10, and y equal to 100, yes, y equal to 100, good. So it will get this point. Now the second point, x equal to 100, yes, x equal to 100, and y equal to 200, yes, y equal to 200. So second point. Third point, x equal to 30, yes, and y equal to 300, yes, and finally it will connect all these 3 points and you will get the triangle as a polygon. So with the help of polygon method you can draw any customized shape in your application. जैसे हमारे पास ड्रॉ पॉलीगॉन है, सेम वे हमारे पास कौन सी मेथड है, फिल पॉलीगॉन. राइट क्लिक, एग्जीक्यूट, एंड विल गेट द फिल पॉलीगॉन. गॉट इट? ओके. सो ये तो बात हुई कि हाउ टू ड्रॉ द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ शेप. नाउ आफ्टर नोइंग दिस थिंग you can draw any types of shape. अगर मैं आप लोगों को एक एग्जांपल दूं कि मुझे इंडियन फ्लैग ड्रॉ करके दो, इज इट पॉसिबल? यस. अगर मुझे तालाब में तैरती हुई मछली को ड्रॉ करना है, इज इट पॉसिबल? कैन यू ड्रॉ द फिश? यस. कैन यू ड्रॉ द फैन? यस. हाउ? आपको सब पता है. So this is all about shapes, how to draw the shapes into the Applet program. So that's it from this session. We'll meet into the next session very soon with AWT components. Okay, so that's it from this session. Thank you for listening. Thank you.